Nothing is too small. Welcome to Happy Smile English. Today, I have a special story for you. It's called Nothing is Too Small. This story will show us how small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Are you ready? Let's begin. Emma was a quiet girl who lived in a busy city. She was 12 years old and often felt small in the big world around her. People in the city walked fast, drove fast, and talked fast. No one had time to stop. No one noticed the small things. Emma lived with her grandmother in a tiny apartment above a bakery. Every morning, the smell of fresh bread woke her up. She liked that smell. It made her feel warm and safe. Her grandmother, Nana Rose, always said, "Emma, small things matter. A smile, a kind word, or even a simple thank you. They are not small at all." Emma nodded every time, but she wasn't sure if it was true. People in the city didn't seem to care about small things. One rainy Monday morning, Emma walked to school. The clouds were heavy and water splashed on her shoes. She saw a boy crying near a bus stop. His umbrella was broken and his clothes were wet. Many people passed him, but no one stopped. Emma stopped. "Are you okay?" she asked. The boy shook his head. "I missed the bus. My school is far. I don't know what to do." Emma thought for a second. She took off her own raincoat and gave it to the boy. "Take this," she said. "You can stay warm." The boy looked surprised. "But what about you?" "I'll be fine. My school is close," Emma smiled. The boy took the coat slowly. "Thank you," he said in a soft voice. Emma didn't know his name. She just waved and ran toward her school, now without a coat and very wet. Her teacher scolded her for being late and she sneezed all day. But inside she felt something warm. That night, Nana Rose gave Emma hot soup and asked about her day. Emma told her what happened. Nana Rose smiled. "You did the right thing, sweetheart. One small act of kindness is never wasted." A week later, Emma was walking home from school. She saw an old man struggling with grocery bags. One bag broke, and apples rolled onto the sidewalk. People stepped over the apples. Some even kicked them by accident. Emma ran to help. "Let me carry the bags for you," she said. The man looked surprised. "You're very kind," he said. Emma smiled. "It's no problem." They walked together for 2 blocks. The man told her stories about his life. He was once a teacher, now retired. He lived alone. His children were far away. Before they said goodbye, the man gave Emma a small chocolate bar from his bag. "For a kind helper," he said. Emma didn't want a reward, but she thanked him and waved goodbye. That evening, she gave half of the chocolate to Nana Rose. "See, Nana," she said, "kindness tastes sweet." Nana Rose laughed. "That's a good quote, Emma." The next month, Emma made a decision. Every day, she would try to do one small kind thing, just one. She wrote her ideas on sticky notes and placed them on her bedroom wall. Say thank you to the bus driver. Help a classmate with homework. Pick up trash at the park. Bring flowers to Nana. One by one, she did them. She began to see small changes around her. The bus driver smiled more. Her classmate, Maria, became her best friend. The park looked cleaner, and her grandmother's eyes sparkled every time Emma brought a flower home. One day, things changed. Nana Rose got sick. She stayed in bed and didn't talk much. Emma was scared. She brought her soup, read her books, and sat by her side. But Nana didn't get better. After 2 weeks, Nana was taken to the hospital. Emma stayed with her aunt. She felt lost, lonely. At school, she couldn't focus. Her teacher noticed and asked, "Emma, are you okay?" Emma nodded. "Just tired." The next day, her class did something special. They made a card for Nana Rose. All the students wrote messages. Maria gave Emma a big hug. The teacher said, "Kindness comes back when we need it most." Emma cried. Later, at the hospital, she gave the card to Nana. Nana was too weak to speak, but she held the card to her heart. A tear rolled down her cheek. Emma whispered, "I remember, Nana. Small things matter. I believe it now." 2 months later, Nana Rose passed away peacefully. Emma missed her every day, but she kept the lessons alive. She started a project at school called Kindness Wall. Every student could write one small kind act. They did each week. Soon the wall was full of colorful notes. I helped my mom wash dishes. I shared my lunch. I told my friend she is brave. The wall became famous in the school. Even local newspapers wrote about it. Emma didn't do it for fame. She just wanted to keep her Nana's spirit alive. And that's the story of Nothing is Too Small. Emma learned that a small act like a smile, a coat, or a kind word can change someone's day or life. Life message. In a world that often feels too big and too fast, remember, you don't need to be rich, powerful, or perfect to make a difference. Sometimes the smallest act is the biggest gift.